There we go. All right, there you go. I loosened it up for you. Got a head start. Now, I need that.
Counterclockwise, right?
Yes. I think this is half.
You're tightening that back together, I think.
There you go. And that loosens up the pump.
They bypass the cool, there's no transmission cool.
Yeah, you see they got that hose on there.
Other way.
7 bolts.
Okay, so it is the other way.
Make sure this one is on this nut.
Yeah,
See, they're kind of half nuts, so they're kind of a pain in the butt.
yeah.
So you get that one on there, and then get that one up there, and then push this way.
I can't remember which one that is. I think that's the butter.
There you go.
And then I'm loosening
You're
this,
loosening all
correct?
those, yeah.
Okay.
All those.
So this still isn't turning.
Here, let me come in there.
See if I can do this without losing the nut.
Do you want to use the?
It's a 3-speed transmission.
Drill drive.
What?
You want to use the driver?
Second,
Oh,
Pop that baby out.
third,
sure. It'll probably be quicker.
Yeah.
but you can shift manually.
And you're gonna have to
down
change
into
the
first
socket.
gear and turn it into a
There you go.
3-speed. I have the Ford-o-Matic over other. I'm not a tool person, so
You're fine.
how do you
Getting it.
Pull it out.
You just pull it right off.
out?
Yeah, we just have a detent.
In the glove.
Ooh, that one in the goop.
Yeah,
It's
that's
a
all right.
pronunciation, but it's super.
She's going the right way.
There you go.
With the little page. And then they say how
Have
to
it,
turn it.
if it's too tight, here, how about it?
That wasn't, moving at all.
It's, yeah, it's good. It's a semi-soft house.
Yeah, it doesn't have enough oomph on it.
We used a heavy duty one last time.
Yeah, we use Paul's.
So just the manual.
You just do the manual one and break it. Not that one. The Milwaukee does.
Pick 'em up.
Okay, so those are both.
Those are out. All right, Sherman, you got some
Perfect.
That's out.
completion.
Protein, really.
When it comes to
Look that out of it?
You're gonna have to hold the.
weight loss,
Nope.
my kryptonite.
You're going the right way. It's just that baby's in there.
Yeah, I was like, okay, let me try a
Okay.
different one.
This is normal. Well, all right. If it doesn't,
Can we tap it?
Yeah, you gotta bang it with something.
okay. Let me. All right. This is good. This is good.
Yep.
Let me get in here. I'll show
Moderate convincing tool.
you. I'll apply it. All right.
Cheater pipe.
You don't necessarily need a cheater. What I'll do on a bolt like this, if it's hard, if you notice, I'm stabilizing the tool with this hand,
Right.
right? So it's not going anywhere, and I'm actually putting tension on it to hold it in place. At which point, any sharp blow here will break that loose.
Okay.
And if I'm in a hurry and I don't mind hurting myself, I'll.
Bam! Look at that.
So I just.
I thought you used to have a pipe.
Well, you don't. This is.
Put a
They're
pipe
not
there,
that
put a
tight. So that breaks it loose, and then you can work them up.
use a
You
pipe,
work
there's
them
no
out.
room.
Right.
If need be, you can put a pipe on it. The other thing you can do,
I thought that, yeah.
and this is what I do a lot,
Oh yeah, that's my favorite.
and that's how you loosen them up.
Extendo handle.
Yeah.
So go ahead.
Good patent that.
Create some added leverage.
Oh, we got a million tricks. And there's
Tricks,
still
the
cheese on
tricks.
table.
There's still cheese on the table.
Other things off of it?
I'm trying to get it out
Am I
of
supposed to
there.
have that?
Well, you succeeded.
Oh no, you're fine. Sorry.
Oh no, that's like me and the cookies in the
Well,
house.
the two of us would never.
But thank you for bringing it.
Sure.
Oh, man, that's
Did I
beautiful.
mention that I have this problem?
Try these first.
There you go.
There's no hangover associated with cheese.
There you go.
No.
There we go.
You know, that's not pretty.
No.
And to be honest with you, other than this milkshakey stuff, I had no idea what was going on in that transmission. Except
What was the trick?
that every now and then when I'd start it up, it would
What did we
shoot
do?
automatic transmission.
that?
Like this,
Yeah,
and pull down. Hold. You gotta hold this.
hold on.
You gotta keep that square. Yeah. Go.
You can do it.
There you go. You got it. There it goes.
There it goes.
Wow.
Look at that.
Cool.
Snap.
You're a certified transmission technician now.
Who would have thought? That's a talent.
Put it on my resume. That's great.
Write it down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then you got one more after that.
That one.
That really is ugly.
That's pretty
I
gross.
guess that rusted not really good. Does
Well, truth be
it
told,
really matter?
it doesn't matter.
Because it was just spinning.
It doesn't, well, this doesn't spin.
Oh,
That's just the exterior of the band. This is the low reverse band. So over here,
Remember to keep it square.
this actually explains the various positions that the transmission can be in and what the gear ratios look like. And when we're in high gear, there's a
Over there.
clutch that's in
What's that?
this,
There you go, like that.
in here.
Like that.
And we can,
Like
I'll
that.
show
Gives
you
you
that
leverage.
a
Yeah,
little
go.
bit. And that is applied. And then
Go.
the
There it is.
sun gears, there's actually two sun gears. They're locked together, and that transmits all the power to the, here, back here. So these bands are not locked. And then over here, in first gear, low band, that's this. I believe that's right, yeah, that low band is applied. And then that gives us, when we lock this drum, that gives us low. When we let them both out and we lock the clutches, that gives us high. And then when we grab this one, that gives us reverse. So that's how it
genius how
works.
they did that.
So you
Now
got
we're
it off?
supposed to pull this out.
Yep, that's got to come off.
Okay.
Not the shaft.
Where?
The
Well, the
pump,
shaft
yeah.
will go.
Oh, it will come with it, yeah.
Pretty sure it does.
So where's the best place to pull it out?
Well, let's take a look here. Let me step in here. First things first, we want to see whether or not it's going to come out easily, and it may not. The last one came out super easy.
Yeah, but this one's not.
This one's on there.
Look at that truck.
This one's, looks like it may be, I believe the correct term is recalcitrant.
It's a big
There
word,
we go.
Chuck. Ooh! Here comes the river of Pepto.
Oh,
More
wow.
stuff?
Yes.
Oh, yuck. Oh, yuck.
There we go.
That's not too bad.
Yeah.
Delicious.
Now, and we'll just set the pump off to the side. It's got an interesting aroma.
What a flavor. What's the flavor
Okay.
like, Chuck?
So this has to be taken off now. This little guy right here. We got to take that off so that we can get, well, we might be able to get these out and leave them on. I don't know. Let's see. That's not a good sign if I can do it, though. I don't think I can.
Is this rusty too?
Nope. This has got to be pulled.
Yeah. We have
This looks pretty good.
Well, let's analyze this. This is a thrust plate, and it is a thrust washer, if you
Why is
wish.
it red?
Because this is copper coated,
Oh,
steel backed with a copper coating. And this is, since we're at that point, let's take a look and compare it to
Oh,
the
the
one
other
in the
one.
other transmission.